go. There we go. There we go. Figured out the camera. We're now recording. Steve is into his first steelhead on the Gold River. Take her easy, buddy. Okay, so I'm going to see if I can... Nice and slow. Not a race. I'm going to try and get some... It's out here somewhere. We can get some height on it. Oh, we got a jumper, and I got him on camera.
Come on! Please.
Nice and easy, buddy. Just going to walk backwards up onto the shore. Nice and easy. Okay, nice and easy. Backing up. There it is. I'm letting him do it all himself. I'm not helping him one bit. You want me to help you land it?